Hey everyone, welcome to Sam Trading Strategies. If you're looking for a simple yet highly accurate binary options strategy, you're in the right place. Today, I'm sharing an amazing 1-minute binary options trading strategy using just 2 indicators. It's simple, powerful, and can be highly effective if you follow the rules I provide. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced trader, this strategy is designed for you. For this strategy, we'll use 2 indicators. Donchian Channels helps identify price levels for entry points, and Schaff Trend Cycle shows momentum and confirms trade direction. I'll explain the exact settings for these indicators later in the video, so watch till the end to avoid missing key details that could improve your trading success. Before we begin, hit that subscribe button, give this video a like, and turn on notifications so you never miss a new strategy. Risk warning: trading binary options involves financial risk, and there's a chance of losing money. Past results don't guarantee future performance. This video is for educational purposes only and not financial advice. Always trade responsibly and never risk money you can't afford to lose. Do your own research before making any trading decisions. Now, let's understand the trading rules for this strategy. Sell trade. When the price touches the upper line of the Donchian Channels and the Schaff Trend Cycle line is moving downward, after touching the 100 level, you should immediately take a sell trade. Buy trade. When the price touches the lower line of the Donchian Channels and the Schaff Trend Cycle line drops below the 25 level and then crosses it again in an upward direction, you should immediately take a buy trade. Please note that this strategy works best in a zigzag market. It does not perform well in trending market conditions, so avoid using this strategy when the market is strongly trending. Always respect the trend and avoid taking trades against it. The candle time frame for this strategy is 1 minute, and the trade expiry should also be 1 minute. This strategy can be used in any market session, but avoid using it during news releases. Before using this strategy in a real account, practice on a demo account first. This will help you understand how it works and gain confidence before investing real money. Check the video description for more details about this strategy. Now, let's jump into live trades where I'll show you exactly how to apply this strategy in real market conditions. I'll explain why I'm entering each trade and how you can do the same. Don't skip ahead. Every detail is important to help you master this strategy. Let's get started and see this strategy in action. According to our trading rules, this is an ideal sell trade setup. Here's why. The price has touched the upper line of the Donchian Channels. The Schaff Trend Cycle indicator line has reached the 100 level and is now moving downward. This is exactly what we've been waiting for. Now let's wait for the result. We'll let the trade play out until it expires. Remember, this is a 1-minute trade, so we won't have to wait long to see the outcome. This strategy is designed to catch short-term price reversals in a zigzag market. By combining the Donchian Channels and the Schaff Trend Cycle, we can identify high-probability entry points with minimal guesswork. However, always remember, avoid using this strategy in strong trending markets. Stick to 1-minute time frames and 1-minute expiries. Never trade during high-impact news events. All right, the trade is now complete. Let's check the result. As you can see, the trade was successful. The price moved in our favor and we secured a profit. Now let's stay patient and wait for the next perfect trade setup. Once again, we've spotted a perfect sell trade setup based on our trading rules. Here's why. The price has touched the upper line of the Donchian Channels. The Schaff Trend Cycle indicator line has reached the 100 level and is now moving downward. Everything is in place, so we've entered a sell trade. Now let's wait for the trade to expire and see the result. While we wait, let's take a moment to recap what we've learned so far. This strategy uses 2 indicators, Donchian Channels and Schaff Trend Cycle. It works best in zigzag markets and avoids strong trends. Always use a 1-minute time frame and 1-minute expiry. Test the strategy on a demo account before going live. And just like that, we've secured another win. The price moved in our favor, and the strategy delivered once again. Now, we'll wait for the next perfect trade setup. Whether it's a sell trade or a buy trade, we'll follow the same rules and process. All right, according to our trading rules, this is a perfect sell trade setup. The price has touched the upper line of the Donchian Channels. The Schaff Trend Cycle has reached 100 and is moving downward. So, we've entered a sell trade as per our strategy. Now let's wait and see how it plays out. We took the trade, but something unexpected happened. A big bullish candle formed right after we entered the trade. This is a reminder that the market doesn't always behave the way we expect, and no one can predict its next move with 100% accuracy. What should we do in such a situation? Stay calm. Losses are part of the trading journey. Trust the strategy. A good strategy wins over time, not in every single trade. Stick to the plan. Don't panic and change strategies after a loss. Remember, trading is a game of probabilities, not guarantees. The key to success is consistency, patience, and discipline. Unfortunately, this time, the trade didn't go in our favor. We've experienced a loss, but here's the important part. This is completely normal in trading. All right, we'll now wait for the next perfect trade setup. But before that, let's quickly go over the settings of both indicators so you can set them up correctly. First indicator, Donchian Channels. We will use this with its default settings. No need to change anything. The Donchian Channels will automatically plot the upper and lower bands based on the highest high and lowest low over the last 20 periods. Second indicator, Schaff Trend Cycle. We will modify a few settings to make it more responsive. Set the period to 3. Set the short cycle to 7. Keep the rest of the settings as they are. These settings help the Schaff Trend Cycle indicator respond more quickly to price changes, making it ideal for 1-minute trading. That's it. Simple and easy to set up. Once you apply these settings, your chart will be ready for trading. We've just spotted a perfect buy-trade setup based on our trading rules. Here's why. The price has touched the bottom line of the Donchian Channels. The Schaff Trend Cycle indicator line dropped below the 25 level, crossed it again, and is now moving upward. Everything is in place, so we've entered a buy trade. Now let's wait patiently for the trade to end and see the result. While we wait for the trade result, here's something important to remember. No strategy gives 100% winning trades. Even with a strong setup, market movements can sometimes surprise us. That's why we always follow the strategy, trust the process, and stay consistent. Win or lose, every trade is a learning experience. As you can see, the trade closed in profit. We've covered a lot today, and I hope you've gained valuable insights from this strategy. If anything is unclear, go back and re-watch the explanation of the perfect setup. Understanding every detail is crucial for success. Open your trading platform, apply the indicators with the correct settings, and start practicing on a demo account. Consistency is key in trading. Stick to the strategy, and don't let emotions take over. If you found this video helpful, here's how you can show your support. Subscribe to the channel. Stay updated with more profitable strategies, live trades, and market insights. Like this video, your likes help the video reach more traders who can benefit from this strategy. Share with others. If you know other traders who might find this strategy useful, share it with them. Your support means the world to me and helps this channel grow. Together, we can create a community of informed and successful traders. Got any questions? Drop them in the comments. I love hearing your thoughts and helping you improve your trading skills. Stay tuned for more powerful trading strategies in the next video. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Until then, happy trading.